Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Reggae girl Trudi Carter is set to ply her trade in Spain. Carter will be playing in Spain after a knee injury kept her from getting a renewed deal with Italian giants AS Roma in 2020. Carter, along with some members of the Reggae Girlz delegation to South Korea, returned home on Wednesday following the two-game series against the South Koreans. After spending just over a year at Lithuanian outfit FC Gintra, Carter is ready for the challenge but remains tight-lipped on the finer details of her deal.
I can't really say yet, but yes, for sure I'm going to Spain, and I'm really excited, and I can't wait to meet my new teammates and the coaching staff and be able to play back in the highest level again. So I'm very grateful for the opportunity.
Meanwhile, Reggae Girlz assistant coach Xavier Gilbert says the staff had a chance to assess players knocking on the door during the friendly matches against the South Koreans.
Position, travel very far to go and play. And some of our objectives were met was to expose some players, trying to make sure we find the right combination and the right mix, and also to embark on a style of play. And I think most of our objectives were met. All players got enough minutes, and we're pleased with that. So it kind of puts us in a better stead when it comes down to our selection.
The Reggae Girlz were using the matches as part of their preparation for next year's FIFA World Cup set for Australia and New Zealand starting on July 20. Now, Jamaica ended the 8th Copa Merengue archery competition in the Dominican Republic with 6 medals, 2 gold, 3 silver and a bronze. On Thursday, Maya Garbut added a gold to the silver she had picked up on Wednesday. The gold medalist Ronald Dina also secured a silver medal on Thursday, and para archer Ace Green added to the medal tally with a bronze. Christoph Street is the other medalist, having gotten a silver on the opening day of competition. The team returns home later on Friday. Now, all English and Northern Irish football and all professional Scottish football has been postponed this weekend as a mark of respect following the death of Queen Elizabeth II. 10 Premier League and 6 Scottish Premiership fixtures were scheduled. AFL games are due to take place today and Saturday, with 6 Women's Super League fixtures, the first of the season, on Saturday and Sunday. England's National League, FA Trophy and grassroots football is also off. Friday's Play at Golf's PGA Championship was called off, along with all British horse racing and cricket's test match between England and South Africa. British horse racing will remain off on Saturday and return on Sunday. Queen Elizabeth II, the UK's longest-serving monarch, died on Thursday, aged 96, after reigning for 70 years. And that is it for your lunchtime sports, and I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.